Hey guys, okay, in this video we're gonna talk about how to set up your paper trading account in TradingView. So rather than having multiple different demo accounts like in MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and it's messy, it's not all in one, so you want to have everything in one place, like in TradingView, where you do your analysis, you do your technical analysis, you do your prediction, everything, and then you also have a demo account as well, just to test things out. Because as a beginner trader, you want to feel the market, what happens if I sell, what happens if I buy, and where should I place my stop loss, where should I place my take profit. All this you want to play around. So before going into the live account where you deposit your real money, you can always go and test out things in a free paper trading account. So how do you go about in your TradingView? So here in the TradingView, you'll see at the bottom here there is an arrow. You can click on that, or you can just click on buy or sell, and then it will pop up this thing where it says connect through our trusted brokers, and then the first one will show you as the paper trading. So you can click on that, and then you can click on connect. So once you have this, you will have this trading terminal, and then you will have all your account balance, equity, all these things. So now it's all set up. So you can minimize, or you can just make it smaller, and then just for testing purpose, let's say Euro USD, let's say you think I think I'm gonna sell. So you can click on sell, and here it will show sell or buy, and then you will have market. This is market order. That means you are executing at the current price, any price. And then limit order is basically saying that, let's say if the price comes to 1.200, I will sell. Or if it drops below 1.78, I want it to be sell automatically. So that is sell stop. Basically, sell limit is above your market, I'm above your price basically. So same thing with buy. Buy means, let's say if you want to have a limit order, let's say you want to buy around this area. Okay, let's change the color. Okay, let's say if the market comes to this point, then you want to buy. So this will be a limit order. So you can put a limit order at 1.2296. So 1.12296. So this is the price. So this will be your limit order to buy. And then units. So TradingView follows unit system, where if in your MetaTrader you will see like 0.01 or 1 lot or 10 lots like that. So for the standard lot in terms of units is 100,000. So this is equivalent to 1 lot in your MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. So let's say if you want to put the smallest amount, you can put 1000 units, which is equivalent to 0.01. And then you can choose your take profit. And another thing, if you want to just drag here, you can just drag here, and then let's say you want to put your take profit here. And if your stop loss, you can just drag here like this. So let's say I want to put my stop loss here, and then you can just place your order. So currently it's executed, but it will wait for the market to drop here, then it will be executed. Your orders will be shown here. Currently it's just here orders, it's limit orders. Okay, so let's say you want to take a market order. So let's go market order, and then let's say we want to sell. Let's say we put 0.1 equivalent to 0.1. So this is equivalent to 10,000. Yes, so we sell. So now it is running because there is an arrow here, and when we go down here, you can see your positions. You can see short symbol is Euro USD, quantity is 10,000 units, last price, unrealized PNL, unrealized PNL percentage, trade value, market value, and then your leverage basically. So let's say you want to modify the trade. So let's say we want to modify the trade. We want to put our stop loss, $100. Okay, and then our take profit, we want to keep it as here. So now when the market does come to this point, it will take profit, and if the market goes up here, it will stop loss, it will hit your stop loss. So this is the way to set up your paper trading account, and you can test it out. You can do multiple trades, take trades. You will learn how to trade the markets. So same thing for US stocks. I think US stock, can you buy? No, you can't. Oh, you can. So let's say Tesla, I want to short Tesla. So let's say this is the same, this is still Euro USD. So okay, now let's say I want to short 1,000 shares of Tesla or something like this. So for forex is 24 hours, but for stocks you follow the US timing, the market and everything. Off trading session, for pre-market and post-market trading, use limit orders. So currently we can only use limit orders, we can't use market orders because the market isn't open yet. So we can choose a sell limit order. Let's say currently the price is at 17,417.79, so we can put as limit order 1,000 shares like this. So now under your orders you'll see a sell limit order. So for cryptocurrency you can do the same thing as well. So let's say I want to short Bitcoin, I want to short 10 Bitcoins. Okay, so it says not enough funds, so my account balance is only 100,000. So let's say I'll short 1 Bitcoin. Okay, so 1 Bitcoin you can short it. So that's all for this setting up paper trading account. So let's see a few things that you can do. So you can export your data. Let's say you have done trading for maybe the past 1 month or 6 months or 1 year. You want to see your results and everything. You can export your data, your positions, your orders, your history, account history and trading journal. You can export it as a CSV file, or let's say trading settings. This is one click trading, things like that. Let's say you want to add another account, you can create another account here, and then here in this settings button you can change your leverage. Basically, let's say if you want higher leverage or lower leverage, you can do so. And let's say if you want to reset everything, you think, okay, I think now I want to start a brand new strategy and I want to test it, you can always click reset account. So now you'll reset account and everything will be deleted now. So you can start as a fresh new paper trading account. So that's one way you can do it. So it's a very simple thing in TradingView by itself, where they give you everything in one place. So you don't need to download another software, or you can sign up for another brokerage just to get a demo account. But if you have your own demo account, then might as well just use that. But if you think, you know what, I want everything in one place, then TradingView is the best place to do that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.